Hi, I'm Tom Wachowski. I'm the creator of this website that you're looking at, yourmoneyhouse.com. And first, I just want to say welcome to the site. You know, the fact that you took time out of your life to take a look at everything we've put together here for you, I honor you for that. It's not always easy making this jump into taking charge of your personal finance life or trying to improve it. So thank you. I honor you. Congratulations for taking the first step. I want to invite you to take a look at everything that you'll see below this video on this page, which essentially is kind of my thoughts, my experiences, my feelings, all about personal finance, and at the end, a financial framework that you can use to simplify money, improve finances together with your spouse, get on the same page, and build a fortune, run in the right direction. It's all below here. Check it all out, and it'll send you in the right place to start when it comes to personal finance on this site. Now, before you go, I just want to invite you over to YMH on Facebook. That's Your Money House on Facebook. That's short for Your Money House. YMH on Facebook.com. That's our Facebook site. I invite you to come over there, say hello, leave a comment, leave a question. We'll get to all of them. We'll respond. We love hearing from you. So go ahead, dive into the content below, and we'll see you in another video. Thanks again for stopping by.